Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Rosana. Today we are making guajillo refried beans. Refried beans on their own are already a staple when it comes to Mexican cuisine, but when we add guajillos, it just deepens the flavors and it takes a beautiful, astonishing color. But before we get started, I do want to invite you to subscribe, like this video, and also click the notification bell. Let's get started. To start, remove the stem and seeds from 3 dried guajillo peppers and 1 ancho dried pepper. And as always, if you want to wear kitchen gloves, you're more than welcome to. Toast the peppers over low heat and turn continuously because you don't want them to burn. This step is wonderful because it deepens the flavors, but you do have to be careful because you don't want them to burn. As soon as they release their fragrance, remove them, and I can smell these already. Let's rinse them. To rehydrate the peppers, I have some water heating up and the peppers in a container. So just cut them if needed. This is just so that they fit comfortably in there. Cover them completely with the hot water. Allow them to rehydrate for about 5 minutes or until they are completely soft. While that's happening, we need to dice half of a medium white onion. We're taking advantage of time. Let me set this aside because I'm crying. They are tears of joy. Okay, so I have 3 unpeeled garlic cloves. Just peel them. Just easier this way. Just gonna remove that small stem area. And finely mince them. Let me set the onions and garlic aside. We will need them later. Now let's make the guajillo sauce. And place all of the rehydrated peppers run into a blender. Measure out 1 cup of the soaking liquid and pour it into the blender as well. Add 1 teaspoon of ground onion, half a teaspoon of Mexican dry oregano, a 1/4 teaspoon of dry marjoram, and half a teaspoon of black peppercorns. Cover and blend. We are making progress. I basically cooked 1 pound of pinto beans, which gave me 6 cups once cooked. Okay, let's head back to the stove. I'm ready to mash the beans, but let's add some oil first. And I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. Now, it's typically used as lard. Feel free to do that if you like, but I'm going for avocado oil this time. Allow it to heat over medium to medium-low heat, and once the oil is hot, add the diced onion. Stir as needed until the onions brown. Now, I love this process because onions are naturally sweet, and once cooked over a period of time, they start to release and caramelize those natural sugars, adding depth of flavor. I love it. The onions are almost done. Add the minced garlic and saute for about a minute or 2. The onions are ready. Let's add the beans. Ooh, yes. Stir everything to combine. Oh, this smells so good. Now mash all of the beans. Yeah, the fun part. Plus you get to see how those beans turn creamy, delicious. Oh, this is a really good part to do. By the way, you can find a lot of useful information down in the description area, including the link to this potato masher. But as you can see, we don't do a lot of mashing of potatoes around here, but we do use it for beans. For the most part, they are mashed. Now add the sauce. It's a little too dramatic. Can you help me? Meanwhile, I'll just stir everything in the pot.
There you go.
Thank you. Awesome. Add the sauce. Mix everything to combine. This is awesome. All right, I added half a cup of the soaking liquid the peppers were hydrated in. Just swirl it in to get the last bit of sauce and pour it back into the pan. Okay, so now continue to mash until you get your desired consistency. Look at how creamy those are turning out. And that color, the smell, everything is just unbelievable. Can you picture yourself making burritos with these beans? I don't know, having it for breakfast, making yourself some tacos. Oh, pair it with some queso fresco. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. These look great. Now let's season them. You want to do this to taste. I'm gonna start with 1 teaspoon and then see where that takes me. Ooh. Okay, let's taste. Perfect. Did we just do the taste test? Don't worry, we're still doing it. We're gonna enjoy the entire experience. Allow them to cook for an additional 5 minutes, and if you see them start to get too thick, you can always add some of that bean broth, or if they are too loose, you can always let them cook longer. As long as you get to your desired consistency. These are ready. I'm gonna top it with crumbled queso fresco, some diced tomatoes, and a couple sliced jalapenos. You can also do corn chips. Beautiful. I am ready for my second taste. Come on now, son.
I am ready for my first one. And I could not be more hungry.
We're gonna do tacos.
Oh, yes.
Here you go.
Hello, everyone. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, I told him he needs to be on the taste test. Yeah. He said, I'm gonna get everybody bored. And I was like, are you kidding me? The taste test is not the same without you.
Am I getting you guys bored?
No, I don't think so. Okay.
All right, let's go for it. All right.
I'll do cheese first.
Okay, I'll do the beans. Oh, this looks so good.
Yes.
Let me tell you all something. They are delicious. I mean, that color is so
The
beautiful.
color, the consistency, it's amazing. So beautiful. And the flavor. All right, let's do this.
Let's do it.
The smokiness from the peppers.
This is so good.
It's like buttery, creamy, amazing. Well seasoned. Oh my goodness, you have to try it. These are amazing.
Wow.
I love the variety of dried peppers that we use in Mexican cuisine. They are all delicious, vary in flavors, heat content. It is just amazing what we can create with such special ingredients. I mean, there's a reason why we use them for a lot of dishes, and I mean a lot.
I can tell you they are amazing.
Nelson and I can testify.
Yes.
All right.
Thank you all.
I really hope you enjoyed this recipe, and don't forget you can follow me on all of my social media platforms. All right, until the next one.